All right, watch out. So, you're developing a few of the views, you've got the names on them, right? You're dropping them on the sheet. Okay, I'm going to just activate the view and do it this way. Now, we need to start giving it data. All right. So, for example, this is a piece of casework, right? It's a upper cabinet double door casement, right? So we're going to give it a tag. All right. So right now, if I try to tag this by category, it's not going to tag because there's nothing there. Watch this. Annotate, tag by category. Let's put a leader on that. I'm going to pick it. And it's going to say, you don't have a tag. Do you want to load one? I'm going to say yes. So the first one I'm looking for, it's under annotations, is a casework tag. It's probably under architectural. Casework tag. Now you'll notice I can pick the casework, but there's nothing in it. Let's do another one. How about this thing right here? That is a specialty equipment. I'm going to tag it, tag by category. There's no, oops, that's a generic model. I'm going to try that again. I don't want to do generic models. Annotate, tag by category. I'm going to pick this guy here. That is specialty equipment. Do you want to load one now? I'm going to say yes. And let's see. Do you see specialty equipment? I'm going to load it. And when I touch it, it's going to say nothing. Let's see. What else do I have in here? Do I have any plumbing fixtures in here? I don't think so. I've got, that's casework. We're not gonna do these. We did these already, right? We did the electrical plan. We're gonna dimension them, but we're not gonna tag them. Let's see. I'm gonna deactivate the view here. Let's see, what else do I have here? All right, let's go into this area here. Activate the view. What is that? That's specialty equipment. So I'm okay with the tag there. That's specialty equipment. So I'm okay with that. Deactivate the view. There we go. Okay, so let me activate this view. Now, I have this plumbing fixture, right? Same deal. I'm going to tag by category. I'm going to pick it. It's going to say, you don't have a plumbing fixture tag. Do you want to load one now? I'm going to say yes. Do you see a plumbing fixture tag? No, because it's not there. I'm going to go back one to annotations. I think the plumbing fixture tag, where would it be? And the answer is mechanical. Because mechanical and plumbing are they kind of share space a little bit. Plumbing fixture tag, open. So now when I touch it, it's going to have something, but there's no data. The ones I'm looking for, I am looking for plumbing fixtures, light fixtures, casework, specialty equipment. We'll talk about paint later, and we'll talk about the ceiling tag later. Okay, so the ones I'm showing you right now are kind of the predominant ones I want. Now, once you get there, let me deactivate the view. How do you get data in there? Well, you do it like this. Let me activate the view. If I pick this piece of casework and I edit type, what that tag is looking for is whatever is in type comments. Oh, sorry, type mark. Sorry, type mark. See type mark here? So I'm going to call this casework 1. Now, if I have that same piece, that same upper wall, double door wall, 48-inch somewhere else, then that data will be there. So this one, if I edit the type, any guesses on what I will call this? Yeah, CW2, and so it goes, right? So now when I tag this thing, when I go tag by category and I pop it on there, it goes like that. Now, if you don't want to have a leader on there, you can do it like that. Sometimes that's better. Sometimes you need to move them around a little bit. Sometimes that's kind of annoying the way this goes in like this. So you can uncheck leader and you can move it in. So, it's a little bit more, I don't know, user friendly or whatever. And so, yeah, you got to get in there and edit type, and you have to put the data in for all the cabinets. Again, if you already have one, that data will be there, and all you have to do is just tag it. So like this one right here, it looks like that's a different size, right? So edit type. Yep. So that's CW4. And so it goes. You have to put the data in type mark. So then we go in and tag it. Then it goes really fast. And you can do this in whatever order you want. Boom. Okay. Same with specialty equipment. It's the same game. Edit type. That is a specialty equipment. I'm looking for type mark. Specialty equipment, SE1. And, you know, same game. You decide where you want that tag to be, whether you want to leader it or you want to drop it right in the middle of the fixture. If you go in the middle of the fixture, again, make it easy to read. You know, might just move it over a little bit so it's easy enough to read. It's not, you know, the line work on the family doesn't get in the way. We also have a ceiling, which we'll do a little later. I want you to get the casework and the special equipment and the plumbing fixtures. And so it goes. There's that plumbing fixture. Let me activate the view. Again, you can do this in the view or you can do it here, whichever way. That I'm going to edit type. And that is a plumbing fixture. So type mark PF1. Now, on some of these, there's no room inside. You have to do some kind of a leader, but we want to consider just kind of, you know, doing something like this, just make it a little bit easier to read, get it out of the area, but you can still see it's going to it. A lot of times you'll have a sink that's a separate plumbing fixture like that one right there. If I edit type, you'll notice it's not a plumbing fixture. Oh, it's not tagged yet. It's separate. So the sink is separate from the faucet. So when you go in there and you tag it, see the PF2, and I might throw a leader on there and kind of get it out so I can see it. Oh, that leader didn't go on, did it? That's weird. Let me try that again. Let's try that again. Tag by category, leader. There it is. You know, just find a way, you know, get it in the spot that's not in the way of stuff. You know, that might be not perfect there. You want to have that little elbow on there like so. See that kind of elbows right there. Don't go, you know, don't do stuff like this and like that and like that. Just, you know, nice little elbows. Just a slight arc or any kind of arc. Just don't make them straight. So they're easy to read. Casework, specialty equipment, plumbing fixtures. Put the data in and tag them. Again, just do a few of them right now, just so you guys have the, you know, all the pieces going so you know what to look for.